the ability to extend that apology and not engage in any kind of justification whatsoever. That just made me think about how many of the anti-patterns that we talked about in our class are things that can come from a place of a good heart. And that's one of the things that I was remembering from the class and trying to relate to people that I work with when they're striking sparks off of each other. And the for instance is, I'm apologizing to you, but I'm also telling you why I acted like that and where I was coming from,
Mhm.
because I want you to know that I was really caring about you when I did that wrong thing. And so it comes from this good place, but it totally dilutes the apology, and it does,
Mhm.
so good heart doesn't always equal good impact, but negative impact does not mean it came from a negative space. So
Mhm.
it's just one of the patterns that I think came through in a lot of our discussions,
Yeah.
that I liked a lot and I put to use.